In the world of giants, one machine stands alone. It moves with the might of an industrial titan, weighs as much as 41 fully loaded semi-trucks, and wields a bucket that can swallow a delivery truck whole. This isn't a fantasy. It's the P&H 4100 XPC, an electric mining shovel that has fundamentally rewritten the rules of modern mining. But this machine is far more than just brute force. Behind its 1,645-ton frame lies a story of engineering genius, a relentless battle against physics itself. We'll break down the staggering specifications that give it such power, explore the revolutionary digital nervous system that allows it to dig with uncanny precision, and reveal the engineering challenges its creators overcame to keep this titan moving. How did they harness forces that could destroy lesser machines? And what was the flaw they overcame to make it a legend of the open pit? This is Hard Hat Industries, where heavy machinery comes alive. To understand the P&H 4100 XPC, you first have to understand the numbers, and they are nothing short of monumental. Standing about 7 stories tall, its sheer physical presence is intimidating, but its power isn't just in its size, it's in the details. The machine moves on a pair of massive crawlers, with each individual crawler shoe, the metal plates forming the track, weighing over 4,000 pounds. The entire undercarriage assembly is a masterpiece of heavy fabrication, designed to distribute the machine's 1,645-ton operational weight evenly, exerting a ground pressure that is, remarkably, often less than that of a human foot, preventing it from sinking into the earth. The heart of its purpose is the dipper. The standard bucket is rated to hold 82 cubic yards of material, which translates to a payload of up to 120 tons per scoop. This dipper is not just a simple steel box. It's forged from high-strength, abrasion-resistant steel, with replaceable cast lip and teeth assemblies that can weigh several thousand pounds on their own. Powering these movements is a suite of massive AC induction motors. The main hoist, which lifts the dipper, is driven by motors contributing to a combined system power of up to 6,000 horsepower. But raw power is useless without a power source. The 4100 XPC is not a diesel machine. It's fully electric, tethered to the mine's electrical grid by a thick, high-voltage trailing cable. This cable, often over 3 inches in diameter, snakes across the mine floor, feeding the machine with electricity at up to 7,200 volts. Managing this cable is a job in itself, requiring a dedicated support vehicle to keep it clear of the shovel's path and prevent damage. This choice for electric power is critical. It provides instant torque and dramatically reduces on-site emissions, but it also creates a significant logistical challenge. This level of engineering comes at a price. A new 4100 XPC costs a mine upwards of $20 million before a single ton of earth is moved. But in the high-stakes world of bulk commodity mining, it's a necessary investment. The shovel is designed to perfectly match the world's largest haul trucks, like the Komatsu 980E or Caterpillar 797F. It can load these 400-ton capacity trucks in just 3 or 4 efficient passes, a dance of giants that keeps the entire mining operation profitable. For the engineers and operators in our audience, what are the biggest logistical headaches you've faced with high-voltage equipment in a dynamic work environment? Let me know in the comments below. While the hoist lifts massive loads, the crowd system is the real artistry in a digging cycle. This mechanism pushes the dipper handle into the bank and retracts it, ensuring a full bucket rather than a surface scrape. For a 1,645-ton machine like the P&H 4100 XPC, generating this horizontal force with speed and precision is a major engineering challenge. Historically, large shovels relied on a rack and pinion system on the boom. It worked, but was harsh, sending shockwaves through the structure when the dipper hit hard rock. These shock loads cause metal fatigue and cracks and critical welds on the boom and A-frame, reducing longevity. P&H's solution is a unique engineering feat. Instead of a rack and pinion, motors and gearboxes on the deck pull a heavy-duty steel rope connected to the dipper handle. This acts as a shock absorber, with the rope's tension reducing impact before it reaches the machine's structure. This design delivers smoother, more controlled crowd action, letting operators feel the material and apply force precisely. It reduces operator fatigue, cuts structural wear, and allows faster cycle times, as operators can dig aggressively, confident the machine can handle shocks. Less flashy than digital controls, this mechanical innovation makes the 4100 XPC more productive and durable than predecessors. The P&H 4100 XPC's raw power could make it a blunt tool, but its OptiDig system, a digital nervous system, transforms it into a precision instrument. This technology is the key to its legendary status in mining. Before OptiDig, operating a shovel was guesswork. Operators relied on motor sounds, cab vibrations, and experience to gauge when the dipper was full, often leading to inconsistency. Underfilled buckets required extra time-consuming passes to load haul trucks, while overfilled buckets stressed hoist motors and ropes, risking stalls and downtime. This was a constant trade-off between productivity and machine preservation. OptiDig eliminates this guesswork with data. Using sensors, strain gauges on the dipper handle and gantry, plus hoist motor power monitoring, its algorithm calculates the payload's weight in real time. This data feeds a clear, intuitive display in the operator's cab, showing payload accumulation and enabling precise, data-driven digging. The impact is transformative. OptiDig ensures optimal bucket payloads on every pass, boosting shovel productivity by up to 15%. In mines moving hundreds of thousands of tons daily, this translates to millions in additional revenue per shovel annually. It also reduces machine stress, extends service life, and lowers cost per ton moved. By blending raw power with intelligent control, OptiDig makes the 4100 XPC a mining game-changer. How has technology changed your work? Has it simplified tasks or added complexity? Share your perspective in the comments. For all its strength and sophisticated technology, the P&H 4100 XPC was not born perfect. In its early years, a hidden flaw emerged that threatened to tarnish its reputation as the king of the mine. The problem wasn't in the glamorous hoist or the intelligent crowd system, but in the unglamorous underpinnings of the machine: the propel gearboxes. Propelling a 1,645-ton machine across an uneven mine floor puts unimaginable stress on the drive components. Every turn, every climb up a slight grade generates immense torsional forces that are channeled directly through the propel gearboxes. And in some of the early 4100 XPC models, these gearboxes began to fail prematurely. The cost of a failure was immense. It wasn't just the multi-$100,000 price tag for a new gearbox. The real cost was the downtime. A shovel that can't move is a shovel that can't dig, and a non-productive shovel can cost a mine tens of thousands of dollars per hour. This was a moment of true industry tension, where customers and engineers alike wondered if the machine was simply too big, too heavy to be reliably mobile. But the engineers at P&H, now a part of Komatsu, met the challenge head-on. They launched a full-scale investigation, analyzing failed components and running complex simulations. They went back to the drawing board, completely redesigning the gearboxes with stronger alloys, more robust bearing assemblies, and an improved lubrication system to better manage heat and friction. The new design was rigorously tested in the harshest possible conditions before being rolled out to the fleet. It was a costly and difficult fix, but it worked. This story is a powerful reminder that progress in heavy engineering is rarely a straight line. It is a process of pushing boundaries, encountering limits, and then innovating to overcome them. It was a pivot from tension to resolution, a testament to the commitment of the engineers to not just build a powerful machine, but a reliable one. From its staggering size and raw power to the revolutionary technology that guides its every move, the P&H 4100 XPC is a true marvel of modern engineering. It's a machine that has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, a testament to the human drive to build bigger, stronger, and more efficient machines. We've seen how its raw power is matched by its precision, and how even a hidden flaw couldn't stop its rise to the top. Thanks for watching Hard Hat Industries. your source for serious machines doing real work. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Until then, keep your head down and your gear running.